Alright, here we go. You've made your amazing 3D form. You've taken a photo of it in 3 different angles. Okay? You're going to bring it into Photoshop. You're going to try to get rid of the background. I would suggest you take the photo on a really neutral background so you don't have to cut out too much stuff. This is going to be a little tough for me. I would say Command J, duplicate layers, make a lot of layers so you can go back. I'm going to do it on this one. I'm going to get my magic wand. Okay, it's kind of okay. I'm going to go maybe up to 32, up to tolerance. And let's see how this is. Okay, let's try it again. That seems okay. I'm holding down Shift to add to the selection. Kind of getting okay stuff. Maybe get inside here. Then I'm going to say select go row. It's just going to spread it out a little. Probably get rid of that stuff. Maybe too much. I'm going to say select feather. Let's feather just one so it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to make a mask over here. You hit the mask button. You'll see it's this way. I'm going to hit Command I to inverse. Okay, it's kind of choppy at first. I'm going to move in. I'm going to get my brush. B for brush. Make sure it's black. Anything you paint black will go away. Okay, you can hit Shift to make nice straight lines. Okay, so try to get rid of all this stuff. You can go back to W wand. Option delete, get rid of that. Option delete, get rid of that. Then brush, clean it up. Okay, making the form the way you like. Maybe wand, get rid of that. Option delete. Okay, this is all on the mask layer, not on the actual image. So we have stuff we can go back to. Okay, brush, trying to clean this up a bit. You get the idea. I would do like one to here and then hold Shift to get a nice straight line. Okay, just like those cooking shows, I've already done this, so here it is. Here's my beautiful cutouts 3D form. Okay. What you're going to do now is change colors. I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments. Our friend Cameron showed us how to do some stuff. He was doing some color range, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to go to Adjustments, try Replace Color. It's going to give you this picture of your image. What I'm going to do is select over here, which I want to change. I think I want to change like something in here. So it'll make this a selection. Then you go here and change that color to a reddish. Why does it go rainbow? I don't know. Takes a little getting used to this, getting the way you want it. I don't like this rainbow though. Maybe it needs to be color. Let's try it now. Still rainbow. And then fuzziness, you can get it more rainbowy. Maybe it's just because the saturation's up. Okay, you can kind of work around with this one. You can do a bunch of stuff. You can do your adjustments. We've done a bunch of this. Hue saturation. You can hit some of this. See how it feels. Okay, I would suggest you do one. You like it. Command J. Turn that one off. Do something else to it. Okay, it's instrumental. There might not be any bad words. Let's go. Gradient map. We can try that. Put some of these on it. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. There we go. So we got this one. You're going to just kind of fool around with a couple different, maybe mask out 2 of your favorite ones. Then you're going to do a bunch of transformations. You're going to do some edit, transform, which is Command T. I'm just going to hit Command T a lot. If you hold down Shift, if you don't hold down Shift, you're going to squish it like this. If you want to do that, that's fine. I like holding down Shift to keep it kind of running like that, whatever that is, I don't like it. Command J again, then we're going to make a bilateral, so we're going to have to flip that guy. Transform, flip horizontal. Boom. Okay. So now you can start to see it's kind of turning into something possibly interesting. We remember from Monica's work, she did kind of warping stuff. You can start distorting your guys if you don't want to make them seem too clean. I can kind of do that, and then again, Command J. We got another one of those. This time, let's flip it again. Horizontal. I'm going to Command T. Maybe rotate this up here. Maybe start making it a little smaller. So you're just kind of really fooling around, seeing what looks interesting, what starts to look cool. This might look better behind, in front, behind. I'm hitting Command brackets to move stuff around, layers. Okay, then you just keep going, keep going, keep going. Make some more interesting designs. Let me see if I can... This form finding one. This is the one I made eventually. Okay, starting with just one of these, and I changed the color up, and then I made this interesting design bilateral. So this side is the same as that side, a little warped, a little skewed, it's kind of nice. Then I took it into Washington, D.C. and replaced the Washington Monument, made it look like that outside. Then I made a little vehicle. This is how it would look if you could fit inside the forum. And then if you could see it in your home, I could possibly see this as a toothbrush holder. Okay, so you're going to make 1, 2, 3, and let's make 2 different versions of these. I like when they come out a little differently. Okay, I put in some nice background stuff. You can fool around with all that if you want. Maybe some drop shadows. You got so many skills. Let's make it look nice. Okay, thanks.